Strap fuck on. They locked us down, thought we stay in our lane. Bare man them sleeping, we was moving in pain. No clout, no features, no smoke from the top. But we was in the trenches when the others got dropped. Came up from nothing, no plug, no cosign. Yeah, moved silent through the block like we wasn't on time. They clocked the numbers rise, now they wanna link up. Nah, blood, too late, we ain't picking that up. Posted in the dark where the street lights don't reach. Every bar I spit is a scar, I can't bleach. They said stay caged up, stay quiet, stay smooth. Now we breaking the rules, we taking the route. Wolves at the cage, we ain't taking no loss. Bear follows me nothing, we run at all costs. Wolves at the cage, been starving too long. Hey, Scott! They thought we was finished, now we coming on strong. From the gutter to the roof, from the ends to the top. Yeah, wolves at the cage, and we ain't gonna stop. Too many ops, moving cap on the gram. Flexing rented whips, whole thing is a scam. Moist from the jump, we seen through the act. Facts, wolves don't perform, we just move and react. No smoke without fire, no fire without pain. I've been in the mud since before this became a game. Brew talk, they clock the drip now, wanna ride on my wave. Man was ghosted by these lot when I wasn't on page. Shanked in the back by the ones I call bro. Damn, now I move different, keep the circle on low. Ain't chasing no clout, ain't begging no guest. Never, just wolves in the mist, we do what we do best. Wolves out of cage, we ain't taking no loss. Bear follows me nothing, we run at all cost. Wolves out of cage, been starving too long. They thought we was finished, now we coming on strong. From the gutter to the roof, from the ends to the top. Yeah, wolves at the cage, and we ain't gonna stop. Bridge spoken deep, gang breathing. They built the cage. They put our name on it. They waited for us to break. The wolves don't die in the cage. Bridges when the doors swing open. Acapella faded. Wolves out the cage. Gang. Wolves out the cage. Yeah.